Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to use Lucidchart step by step even if you are an absolute beginner. Whether you want to create flowchart, diagrams, mind maps or even software architecture visuals, Lucidchart is one of the easiest and most powerful tools out there in 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you will actually able to create professional looking diagrams for your personal project, your work or your studies. So first of all, you just need to understand what is the lucid chart. So first thing first, Lucidchart is a web-based diagramming tool that lets you visually map out ideas, systems, and processes. It is widely used by teams and individuals for creating flowcharts, organization charts, network diagrams, wireframes, and more. The best part is that everything is a drag and drop, which makes it extremely beginner friendly, and since it is cloud based, you can access your work from your device or any device from anywhere. So now let's talk about sign up and starting a new document. So basically, to get started, you just need to go to the lucid.app, or you can search for lucidchart.com. Like here, let's open a new incognito and then search for lucid chart, and here actually you will get this lucidchart.com. You just need to go over here, and from that place you just need to be signing up. So here, sign up for a free account, and once you are in, you just need to click into the plus new icon button at the top left and select lucid chart document. This opens a black canvas like this way, and then go over here and open a blank document. So this opens a blank canvas where you can begin your diagram. On the left you will see shape libraries like this way. Let's open one of them. Just click this one, and here you can see it already been opened. So quickly press and open the shape library manager. Here you can see the shape library manager already been opened. So in this center is your workspace. In the center it is workspace. Then at the top you will find your toolbar for actions like undo, zoom and alignment. This is your main dashboard where all the actions happens. So here you just need to select your role. I will select my role will be the agile course or scrum, whatever you could choose from that place. Let's say I'm going to select invoice. How often you use diagram tools? Immediate. You can add your people in here. Just click to the next, and then you can choose this thing one like meta database or flowchart, whatever I'm going to select, and then like you can use that, or you can start with a template or start with a blank document. I'll click over here, and now you can see all things. So now we are going to creating a flowchart. Let's begin with a simple flowchart. On the left you just need to select the flowchart. Here you can see this is the flowchart. Let's drag and drop in here. So flowchart shapes, if they are not already visible, you just need to click and drag a rectangle into the canvas. This can represent the chart or the start of your process. You just need to be double check the shape to add text. Now add a second shape like a decision diamond or another process box. Use the arrows to connect the shapes. Like let's say I am going to turn this one the decision one, and then you can use this arrow in here, so it will make it more professional. So using an arrow is really good. It helps you to connect the shapes. You just need to click and drag from the red dots on the edge to create lines between them. You can customize each shape's color, size and font using the top toolbar. You can build an entire process visually just by adding, connecting and revealing this element. Like let's say I'm going to edit this one. You can add this color if you want. You can make the text color. You can also change the line color. Here you can see the line color already being changed. So in this way you can edit each and every element. Now let's talk about organizing and formatting. So Lucidchart gives you a lot of control over how your diagram looks. To align multiple shapes, just select them which holding shape and then use the alignment tools at the top. You can evenly distribute shapes, make the same size, or group them to move as one. Like if you want to change the theme, you just need to go to the theme. In here you will see this theme option. Just click over here, and from that place you can change the theme. There's a couple of themes we have available in here, like chalk, monochrome gray, then monochrome blue, monochrome art, monochrome tail. So you can choose your themes. Then you will find flowchart, org chart, network diagrams, floor plans, software tuition templates, and more. Choose the one that match your goal and click. Use template once it opens. You can edit all the shapes and text just like you would in a blank document. This is a huge time saver if you are building something complex and professional looking. Now let's talk about the collaboration and sharing. So Lucidchart is also built for real-time collaborations. You can share your diagram with others by clicking the share button in the top right in the email address of your teammates and set their access level to either view, comment, or edit. You can all work on the same document at the same time, just like in Google Docs. There is also built-in chart features and comment system, so feedback and revisions can happen right in the workspace. If you are working in a team, this makes Lucidchart incredibly effective or efficient. So here, you just need to click over here to the share, and you can add your people or your groups in here, and you can give their the value, like they could given comment, they could edit and also the share. And also you can enable the share link. You just need to copy the link and you just need to share it anywhere you want in the message or in its email, and you just need to be registered and you will able to use that Lucid app. So now let's talk about the exporting and integrations. Once your diagram is ready, you can download or export it in multiple formats. You just need to be click in on file, then download as. Like here, just go over here, just remove this one and just click to the file, and here from that place you can export it as PDF, PNG, JPG, CSV, whatever. You can also export it as Lucidchart to Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Word. So Lucidchart integrates with tools like Slack. Like if you want to integrate, you just need to come over here, and here you will get to see the marketplace where you will find out all the access. So you can integrate tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Workspace, and even Confluence. So if it fits right into your existing workflow, you can also embed your diagram into presentations, wikis, or web pages easily. Let's give you an extra feature and tips. So Lucidchart has some advanced features too, like data linking, then conditional formatting. But as a beginner, just focus on mastering the basic, like adding shapes, connecting lines, formatting, and using templates. The more you use it, the more confident you will become. If you plan to use Lucidchart, often check out the mobile apps as well. It's great for quick edits on the go. And that's how you use Lucidchart as a beginner in 2025. From building simple flowchart to collaborating and complex diagram, Lucidchart makes it easy to turn your ideas into visual plans. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future tech and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching.